xDesign, the much-anticipated browser-based CAD tool from Solidworks, has reached the point in its development where it's ready for you to put it to the test and provide us with your feedback. There are a lot of different ways you can work with models, but spending just an hour a day to test out the capabilities of xDesign will show you just how powerful it is. For starters, you can use it on any device, and you'll be supplied with educational content, tips and tricks, and weekly design challenges that'll make the most of the time you spend in the software. Watch your email for an invitation to the 3D Experience platform. Click here if you've used 3D Experience products in the past and already have a 3D Passport. If not, click here to create a Passport account. Once you're logged in, you should see the xDesign default dashboard. This dashboard puts everything you need at your fingertips. Support and help is where you'll submit issues and enhancement ideas. Community is a social space where you can share your latest xDesign creations, as well as connect with R&D, technical staff, and other users. You'll be receiving an invitation to this beta community. The digital content playlist provides quick access to this and other helpful videos. The first few days, see if you can discover xDesign on your own with minimal training. But to get you started, here's a quick tip to find and open your data. Click on the search bar and choose My Content. This filters only your data. Over here on the left, the 6 W tags filter things down even further. One that I commonly use is the creation date, to show me only the data I created the past week. Once I see the model I'd like to work on, just start dragging and drop it into the xDesign app. You should have everything you need to get started, so here's your first assignment. Jump in and model up your first part. It can be anything. Then take a screenshot and add it as a comment to the community post, My First xDesign Model. Let's see what you come up with. Have fun exploring, and be on the lookout for the next xDesign Beta Challenge.